I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here at the upper bar you have the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on this button you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to it. It could be calls, it could be messages, it could be repeat callers, it could be alarm sounds, and you can also add a schedule for this mode. For example, you can change name of this schedule, you can select days on which it will be active, you can select start time and end time of this schedule. And that's it. That's all the settings for the Not Disturb mode. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.